Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code for Laravel. First, set up your Laravel project by installing Laravel using Composer. Run Composer create project Laravel/Laravel my app, then cd into my app, and after that, run php artisan serve to start the deployment server, making sure PHP and Composer are already installed. Next, open your project in the terminal by navigating to your project folder using cd my app, and this is where you will run all Claude commands. Now, generate Laravel features using Claude AI Code. Run Claude create a Laravel CRUD system for POS with migration, model, controller, and routes, and Claude will generate the model, migration, controller, and routes for you. Then, set up the database connection by editing the .env file and adding your database details like db database my app, db username root, and db password your password. After that, run php artisan migrate so the database is connected and the tables are created. Next, build the front-end views by asking Claude to create Laravel blade views for POS CRUD with Tailwind styling, and you will get pages for create, editing, and listing post. Finally, test and improve your app by running php artisan serve again. Then open your browser and go to the http://127.0.0.1 clone 8000. And from here, you can test creating posts, editing or deleting them, and validating forms to make sure everything works properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.